Hi guys, today me and Cottle going out to sea on the Crusader. See what we can catch. I'll bring you back when we're out there, boys. Nice big boat, the sea's flat calm. See what we can do. Here's what we're using. Rods with feathers. Hey up. Two whiting guys, look at them. It's mackerel, get in there. Nice string of whiting, boys. As you see, they've got teeth. Nice size as well. Get back. Full string of whiting, 4 on. Get up there. Mackerel coming in thick and fast now, boys. Mackerel number 3. Guys are ring if you want to go on a trip. Class. So I've had 10 whiting out, 4 mackerel but 1 evaded me. So jolly good. Right guys, trip's over. If you do like my video, it's only a little one and me catching a few white and a few mackerel. Please like, subscribe and comment. See you on the next one. Tight lines.